Good morning, students. Today in English, we are going to learn and write capital cursive A to Z with their phonic sound, and we will learn 5 words of each alphabet. Let's start. First of all, you have to write here today's date. Write here capital cursive A to Z. Capital cursive A. Phonic sound of A is A. A. A for apple. A for X. A for ant. A for arrow. A for aeroplane. Capital cursive B. Phonic sound of B is B. B. B for bat. B for ball. B for boy. B for balloon. B for bus. Capital cursive C. Phonic sound of C is K. K. C for cat. C for car. C for cow. C for cake. C for camel. Capital cursive D. Phonic sound of D is D. D. D for dog. D for duck. D for door. D for dress. D for deer. Capital cursive E. Phonic sound of E is A. E for egg. E for eyes. E for ear. E for elephant. E for engine. Capital cursive F. Phonic sound of F is F. F. F for frog. F for fish. F for fox. F for flower. F for fan. Capital cursive G. Phonic sound of G is G. G. G for gun. G for girl. G for grass. G for gift. G for gate. Capital cursive H. Phonic sound of H is H. H. H for hat. H for hen. H for house. H for hand. H for hive. Capital cursive I. Phonic sound of I is I. I. I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for ink pot. I for iron. I for ice. Capital cursive J. Phonic sound of J is J. J. J for jar. J for jug. J for jet. J for juice. J for jump. Capital cursive K. Phonic sound of K is K. K. K for key. K for king. K for kiwi. K for kite. K for kangaroo. Capital cursive L. Phonic sound of L is L. L for log, L for lotus, L for leaf, L for leg, L for lion. Capital cursive M. Phonic sound of M is M. M for man, M for milk, M for moon, M for monkey, M for mug. Capital cursive N. Phonic sound of N is N. N for nose, N for nail, N for nest, N for net, N for 9. Capital cursive O. Phonic sound of O is A. O for owl, O for ox, O for orange, O for ostrich, O for octopus. Capital cursive P. Phonic sound of P is P. P for pig, P for pen, P for pizza, P for pin, P for pencil. Capital cursive Q. Phonic sound of Q is Q. Q for queen, Q for quill, Q for quilt, Q for quick, Q for question mark. Capital cursive R. Phonic sound of R is R. R for rat, R for red, R for rose, R for rain, R for rainbow. Capital cursive S. Phonic sound of S is S. S for sun, S for star, S for spider, S for snake, S for snail. Capital cursive T. Phonic sound of T is T. T for tree, T for table, T for tiger, T for truck, T for teddy bear. Capital cursive U. Phonic sound of U is U. U for umbrella, U for utensil, U for up, U for uniform, U for ugly. Capital cursive V. Phonic sound of V is V. V for van, V for violin, V for vase, V for vegetable, V for vulture. Capital cursive W. Capital cursive W. Phonic sound of W is V. W for watch, W for whale, W for watermelon, W for window, W for white. Capital cursive X. Phonic sound of X is X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree, X for xylophone. Capital cursive Y. Phonic sound of Y is Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, Y for yacht, Y for yard. Y for yarn. Capital cursive Z. Phonic sound of Z is Z, Z. Z for zoo. Z for zigzag. Z for zebra. Z for zipper. Z for zero. Students, you have to practice it in your English notebook. Thank you.